Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you guys are looking for an off-road dual-purpose trailer slash toy hauler, this is a great option. This one is a 2019 7x18 off-road trailer in a matte gray blackout. This unit is insulated, has AC, power, a bunch of other goodies we'll take a peek at in a second. This one does have the diamond plate rock art along the bottom. You've got the nice diamond plate wrapped corners, a front enclosed generator box. You guys have a place to store that generator, and it does have little latches and ways to lock it off the side there. You also have a tongue mounted battery and battery box, heavy duty front coupler and side swivel jack. This also has the removable front coupler option on it. Great for theft, also great if you want to add an articulating hitch. The side door has been moved back on this unit, so it gives you some more room in the front. We'll take a peek at that more in a second. This one also has a dual roof rack system. So you do have a front roof rack here. This is great setup if you guys are going to add solar and solar panels to this unit later on. You also have a solid surface roof rack here at the rear. So instead of just having cross members run across there, you do have a solid bottom and then the ladder right there to access that. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, 32-inch Mudterrain tires. You also have black American racing wheels and a black diamond plate fender. This one again is equipped with power, so you've got that exterior GFI outlet right there. Double locking system on that side door with the RV lock and cam bar, and then you have a window and a gutter in that side door as well. It does have a screen in it. It is a slider window. And then there's two more windows here. One on this side, one on the other. We'll take a peek at that again more in a second. LED party lights off this side as well, so you guys will have some great exterior light. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back, and I left the ramp door up on this one so you guys could see. This has the rear deck option on it as well, so you guys can fold this down, use it as a ramp, and then also take those stabilizer jacks, fold those down, and use it as a rear deck. So it gives you some exterior living space. And there, Tyler's turning the lights on and off for us. Two LED spotlights off of the rear as well, so you'll have some great load light at night. I'm gonna get you a good shot of this side, and then we're just gonna go on the inside and go through the features there. Again, this unit is insulated, so you have insulated walls and insulated ceiling with this unit. And then the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. And on the inside, lots of nice features in here as well. They're going to drop the ramp door for me. So there's that ramp door. Awesome performance Nudo floor. That's this product right here. This is a very durable surface on top. It's great. Underneath this is a product called Maxx, which is a water resistant product, and that's on the underneath side of your trailer. So it's going to last a lot longer than your standard wood floor and give you a great durable surface here on top. And we've got 9 D-rings in the floor. Try and back up. So they're evenly spaced, and one more in the center just in case. Tons of E-track. You've got E-track, 2 rows of it on each of the walls all the way up to the front, recessed. Great for building bunks, tying stuff down, lots of options there. And then another row in that front wall. Overhead LED lights. That's those big 4-footers that you guys see right there. And then it also has 4 puck lights on the interior. Outlets as well. We've got a light switch back here. This is going to turn on your spots for the ramp. And then there's your outlet. There's another outlet here by the side door with a couple more light switches. That's for your puck lights, your party lights, and the LEDs. And then a couple more outlets up here. The 30-amp box we've moved up and out of the way on this unit. There's that cord. You pop it right there through the cord port, and then you plug that into a generator, campground, extension cord, however you're going to power up the trailer. That's going to in turn power up the outlets, these nice 4-foot LEDs. It's also going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. This is a great unit. It's a Mach 8 low profile unit, so it sticks up half as tall. They're very efficient, made by Coleman, and it does give you the ability to heat and cool, which is really nice. Then right here off to the side of it, you also have a Maxx Air roof vent. So that's going to allow you guys to also move some air through here by opening up that roof vent. It has the bubble cover over it so it won't leak water in on your stuff if you guys forget to close it. And then again, worst case scenario, you've always got the 3 windows, one in the side door and then these 2 off to the side. And a beautiful set of upper aluminum cabinets. Just gives you guys, sorry, and we're obviously by the train tracks, some additional storage up there. These are 18 inches out. So it gives you an idea of space and what's here. And here it is. So again, set up to be that dual purpose unit. Gives you guys lots of options and uses. And best of all, with the off-road setup, it gives you about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. So you guys can really get off-road and have some fun and go where you want to go. With that torsion axle package setup, it also gives you that independent suspension underneath the trailer, so it's going to ride better and tow better, and you don't have a big, huge axle bar that's running underneath the trailer getting in the way. So we are the exclusive home of the Colorado off-road trailer. We would love to earn you guys' business. If you don't live near us, don't worry. Give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote. We can ship these trailers right to you. Or if you guys have a special size or color that you would like, give us a call. We'll do a special order for you and get you the trailer that you need. 303-688-8485, or we are always online at coloradotrailersinc.com.